I will cry. Hey, me say, watch my video, but wake up the Sunday Monday morning.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel.
I'm a time head with a tiger print scarf with a little red pan it. I'm driving in the car. I said, Dexter, my granny said, my granny always tell me, sir, me genuinely hurting, man. Me vexing, man. I say, crosses, no, man. Me too nice. Somebody me not take that. I believe in the Queen. No, it's true. Don't you know, true. She said, I can't control me, because I can't feel me, treat me, blackmail me, because I'm sturdy. No matter how you chat me. You know why I found to undermine me? When I say, I don't want bomber clad easy walk over. No matter what no one say about me and do it. That's my husband. But you see, no, any one out there, none of them can take me for no idiot. That's why I found to run from me. I'm because I'm strong for a woman. Enough man I like strong woman, you know. When I sit back and say, I look a feeble, bomber clad self and see me as a big, bad British queen. Awful, terrible, disgusting, strong. I no wonder if I really could. You know, like, that's why I look a bomber whole bad mind me for sting. You understand me? No found out there in the industry. I no, me a drunk like I want to go. You understand? The whole away some dirty Jamaican. So seeing like I can't get dirty, me can't get dirty too. When I sit down there, I say big woman, big queen, where rain, and go through so much. I say I go past thing, I want to come and I mind me, when I can't take it back. Oh, no, can't take back what happened the 26th of the... No, you lot cannot I history that. And me and she wake up like where? Only I say sting did water down. Uno could have bring back that. You understand me? Uno could have bring back that. I want to sit down there and take me on a class. No, I can't feel me up. You hear that? Not for a producer, I want to do promoter, and what no. I'm awful and bad. Me not take black. Because none of them teeth my energy and my soul. And my spirit, I don't lie. Me and my husband Bill on a go. So that's why I undermine me. Dexter supposed to see me. I mean supposed to see Dexter. No the whole of honor. When I send message and all, but you know from when? No, really come a fat now. Am I not allowed as the queen now? Where this man, because I'm a remember I work, you know. I present him coming here, you know. You understand me? So if I present Dexter come here and it lead to me become this thing winner, where them not acknowledge. You can't stop what happened already. Get over it, though. Whether me to go up there and say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, it's the queen. It's my voice, my energy, my spirit. All of the hard work when I put in per internet and the playground. God just give me that platform there. And no, this writing of the book for me. So now, me so proud of myself, me can't left out Dexter. I forgot give Dexter a big check out of my thing when we get my Grammy. Dexter, no, Dexter forget some of my money too. It's the God Almighty truth. Nothing happen. More than Dexter there at Birmingham and me there at Birmingham. And I send out so much alert for see Dexter and drop asleep and wait for Dexter and know me not reach for whatever reason. So my Bex. You understand me? And then I listen to Tall Up. Tall Up, you read him there. Cheers to Tall Up again. And cheers to Dexter and cheers to me. Cheers to Mariah crazies them. So I just sleep and wake and they here. Really the reality chip in for sister. So me not get to go see Dexter. Jesus Christ. May I go spend money buy clothes No long me not buy no clothes. Jesus, not a Dexter. Someone want to see him before him leave England, and that's the God Almighty truth. Me not business that nobody want to say. Rude. Me not know if I'm me rude, them rude, him rude, or a owner rude, but it's rude. You understand me? Remember say me so crazy and lazy, you know. I mean, I know if you know so much work me put in, you know. Me a artist, me a movie star, me a wife, me a grandmother, me a do so many things. I don't even remember because I'm so vain. I'm so proud of myself. I swear. I lose some money and I laugh. I said, boy, Queenie, you know, who may I talk to yesterday, last night, and I said to myself, oh, Sasha, big up yourself. Ricky True and Sasha, big up yourself. And Sasha said, remember how you was in there? I say, yeah, man, me really not change. I'm just me. God just met me with that spirit here. You understand me? And the world fall in love with it. Because I be myself, I'm going to cure the world. And the mama want to say, you not put no pitney burden for me. You not put no girl power burden for me. Love. Not put no grand pitney, no burden, no put for me. And you know what it is? So sit down and give me responsibility with me. Don't choose to put on my head. You know what I choose to do now? Come at Dexter make me name fall bottom right now, you know, and tall up. Come drop asleep, thinking I'm gonna wake up, get dressed and go to Dexter's after party. Actually, for whatever reason, I am not sure, I'm still here. I'm going to see my husband wake up and say, you're really sleeping, huh? You're really sleeping, don't lie, but wake up and the on top of here, better move, I'm tired of sleep, sweet. Nice. So now I come and my energy up. I'm here tall up something now. I said, do make me listen. Say, you listen to tall up something? I said, no. And he make me listen to you. I said, bumbo clot. Tall up. I would tall up, get them only lyrics, a girl. I'm here, she said the part, say Queenie win sting, and them still can't accept it. Whatever she said, I said, bumbo clot. Pow! 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 Sting and win. Can't take it back. No go, man. When I say strong black woman, you can't stop it. You could have type, you could have write, you could have cuss and class, no more walk over. You know about me, you know me best. Now that my from say it, because on it earth, man, it's my truth, it's my earth. None of cause. I know my worth, my value. You understand me? So because I know my worth and my value, I give out a public announcement. When I take me for some bumbo, when I go, I represent for Jamaica, I represent for England, I represent for girl power, I represent for strong black woman, I represent for Yamed, I represent for so much. And Dexter come here, will make me become an artist because I'm antics words. Word is very powerful. Because I reprimanded those words. Because I send them back and said, not in it. No crosses. As double tap come in. And I hear that, my biggest bumper. When me I got sting, big up Aspat Entertainment. Everybody I say, boy, Queenie and Mary, I got say this and I say, I don't give a shit what she want to say. I go with my one double tap song, I sing it all time. I turn it inside out, upside it down, left and right. I do all sorts with it. That one, it can't stay again. Double tap come out in a man. And the world me save now, an idiot. And the world me save. Me save the world, Queenie. When I listen back to myself, I'm reading. I'm movie star, more Anton, you know. Me always say I want to be famous Anton movie star. Me never bargain for music for truth. I'm a son so damn good and away from sounding damn good. Me done so well in 3 years. You know how much people do music 30 years? DJ Style, I love you. You know much people, not that, I mean, not just accent me. I'm not sure I'm not so negative now. The man, where my name from Carnation Street, the white man want me to do the video with.
Come on, Bruce. Making movie maker. It's me and Bruce. Oh my God, Carnation Street. Is it Carnation Street? Oh, what's here? Now you're here with me in real life. And he's so firm. Oh, muscular. Mwah.
Queen wave.
God. We're kind of chicken away at your Queenie and Bruce.
Let me show you how stupid you are and bad man and grateful. No. Me as a black Jamaican woman who come from Jamaica to England. I've been here like 26 years, maybe 27. I don't remember, you know, but me marking back on that. Me say when Sasha said to me, say, you've been through a lot, you know, Queen. You've been through a lot. Me I say, truth. I shall remember back some things from 2009, 2008. I shall remind me. I say, true, man, I'm a hold it out. No. Me I don't look a movie scene now. Oh, no, not supposed to know where I go on, you know. But the people them said, no, Queen Energy nice and she professional and work hard. So give me just a little tips to put on my internet. Right? Oh, no, just enough. You don't notice when I make a black man, a little bit of mind, my pain and I talk really right crazy them. Anyway, when my name Bob something like that, I remember where the white man name in a Carnation Street. When me there, everybody ask me if me say, where my name? That's so rude and creepy. Who do I go with my name? Bob sitting on there. So me I said, no, come and watch Carnation Street. I made that prison 2006 and them times I used to watch TV coming there prison. But I don't watch telly. Okay? Me there with the man, big up pound for pound in the boxing place. And the man I say, I'm pound for pound and you created the man nice, you know. That's how the man who own the place. But the people then when I do the movie, they ask me if I see this white man, when I really know the Carnation Street man. So I sat there as a queen I am, doing my scripts, rehearsing my scene. And I see the man come and say, oh, you're the queen, nice to meet you. This nice white man. I said, what? Are you there? Whatever. Me and the man do a scene, bad-minded. Like when I did that center matter of pit toilet. I have to go down at the tambourine tree. I have to roll up the newspaper and light it to the message. So run the cockroach and run the toilet seat. I saw me itch up on the queen like the cockroach and I used to who remember them toilet they went in a little bit of country? Pit toilet. Yeah. On a little and that nice